by enabling the two-factor authentication in the administration portal doesn't necessarily mean that you enabled two-factor authentication for the owner. In order to enable the two-factor authentication for the owner, you need to log in as the owner in the administration portal and then access the account page. So in order to access the account page, you click on this little icon on the upper right corner and then click on My Account. Once you're on the account page, click on the two-factor authentication settings or 2FA settings, and then toggle the two-factor authentication switch on. It's going to ask you for the password. Go ahead, type the password, and we're going to click on Confirm. As you can see, the two-factor authentication is on now, and the email authentication is selected. Now, I want to change that to Authenticator app because that's what I want to use. So I select this radio button, and then it's going to ask for the password again. Type the password and click on Confirm. A 6-digit code will be emailed to you. We need to get that code and enter it here. So let's go ahead to our email. We got the email here, and we got the code as 650821. So we're going to go back to our portal and we're going to type this code. So it was 650821. And as you can see, now we have a QR in front of us, so we can scan this QR with our Authenticator app. Once we do that, it's going to give us another 6-digit code that we need to enter in the next page. So once I scan the QR, click on Next, and then it's going to ask for the code. Now if I look at my phone on the Authenticator app, this is the code I have. I click on Verify. So this part, now we're presented with the rescue codes. This is very important. We need to either print this page or download this page and save it. In case if something happened to Authenticator app or you're not able to log in with the app, then you need to use these codes to access your accounts. So if you need to print this page, just click on this little button here or icon, and then you have all the codes here, so print them out. If not, you can just click on this little icon and download it. I'm going to go ahead and download it to my computer, and then I go ahead and check this box that says I have saved the rescue codes. Now I click and Confirm. So now, as you can see, the two-factor authentication is on and my Authenticator app is selected. Now let's go ahead and sign out. We want to make sure that once we log in, we get presented with the two-factor authentication. So I'm on the login page. I got the username here and I got the password here. Click on Login, and here we go. It's asking for our code. Let's go to our Authenticator app on the phone and let's look at the code. It's 167043, and we are logged in.